Okay, Devrat, so let's proceed ahead with your HR SNAP for Assistant Industry Officer position, Odisha Public Service
Yes, sir.
Commission. So we can start with a brief introduction.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I'm Devabrata Mahapatra. I was born and brought up in the steel city of Rourkela, and this has been the main source of my interest in industries. I have completed my BTech in mechanical engineering from NIT Rourkela. After that, I have joined ABN Bev Private Limited as a assistant manager in technical service department, where I worked in industrial operation and optimization. After that, I have joined LIC Housing Finance Limited. There I worked for 1 year while working on financial services and customer services. After that, am currently preparing for government examinations, focusing on role such as industrial finance systems and various public service deliveries.
So when did you graduate?
2019, sir.
Oh, and how many years you have worked so far?
3 years, sir. Total three,
Hmm.
almost 3 years.
How many organizations?
Two organizations, sir.
Hmm. So why you left the first one?
So the first one because I joined it mostly because of the financial aspect, but later on my father's health was unwell, so I had to leave the job to look after him.
Hmm. Okay, how long did you work there?
2 years, sir.
Okay, and what was the profile?
So it was a technical profile in the utilities department. Like the ABN Bev company, it's a brewery and known for its beer brand Budweiser.
Hmm.
So in there, we used to and in the department I used to work. So various plants such as the water treatment plant, CO2 regeneration plant, these plants come under it.
Hmm. So what you used to do?
So, sir, I used to look after the operation of all these plants.
Hmm.
So there used to be only one shift, general shift for the utilities department. So I used to be the one who used to handle the operations of this plant. So there were operators below me. So I had to manage
Hmm.
them and the operations.
How to calculate the production of any plant of such or plant, beer making plant company?
Sir, actually, there is two ways. Like we can calculate through the production of the beer itself, that is done in kilo HL, and the other thing is the production of cans or bottles that usually happens in the packaging area.
Mm-hmm.
So it
Hmm.
all depends upon the like the particular product that we are talking about. Like if Budweiser is being packed today, so we generally count in the number of cartons that has been dispatched per day or produced per
So
day.
how many plants Budweiser has? Manufacturing plant, breweries plant.
Sir, at that time there were six, so currently it has reduced to four.
Hmm. Okay, and the cans which these companies provide, beer manufacturer, what is the material of that can?
So aluminum cans.
Hmm. Any specific reason for that?
So because it doesn't react with the liquid.
Hmm. Okay, that's the only reason.
Sir, and it doesn't corrode also easily.
Hmm. Okay. So, heat conductivity of aluminum, is that not one of the criterias to pack the beer? Well, liquor is
Uh,
not packed in aluminum. Only beer is packed in aluminum. Why?
yes, sir, because beer needs to be kept in chilled environment,
Mm-hmm.
uh, or else the CO2 and it would go stale. It would get oxidized
Okay.
by
So,
the
what
air
was the
inside
next
it.
company you worked in, Devrat?
Sir, in LIC Housing Finance Limited.
Okay. So, how long did you work there?
So almost a year before I
Left
decided
that also.
to leave it. Sorry.
You left that also.
Yes, sir. Because that I had joined because my marriage was planned at that time. So I needed to get a job for the marriage. But after that, I wanted to focus on a government job. Yes, sir. That's the reason I left it.
So, but your spouse did not complain that you were employed at the time of marriage. Now you're leaving your job.
No, sir. She is actually helping me because she is a dentist. So she helps
Since how
me with
long you're
this.
preparing for government jobs now?
Sir, almost 2 years.
So, being NIT graduate, that too NIT Rourkela is a prestigious institute. Don't you think two
Yes,
months
sir.
after marriage, sitting at home preparing only for government job does not make sense?
No, sir, because I have my roadmap, and it's not only about the job that I'm doing, but rather because whatever job I'll be doing or finally settling in, I'll be doing it for the rest 30 years of my life. So going for the right choice would be the best one, sir.
You think government job is the only right choice, not private sector?
So it's not about, sir, the government job, but rather than the public delivery, a public service
Mm.
delivery that I want to work upon. Because I
Mm.
have worked in a corporate job, because the first one was a corporate job, and the second one's on a financial job. So in the second one, mostly I came to deal with customers. So there I learned that although I was earning good, but there was no satisfaction itself. So I want to work for the at the grassroots level mostly, sir.
It was LIC related company, right?
Yeah, LIC Housing Finance. They give home loans, sir.
That looks like public sector only.
Yeah, it's a subsidiary of LIC, not directly public sector, but yes, sir.
But it is not a private sector also. But on what
No, it's
model it is
not
working?
completely private
Mm.
or completely public, sir.
You could have prepared along with job also, Devrat.
No, sir, it was I tried, sir, but it was really difficult because I had to work in Sundays also, so it's a bit difficult,
Mm.
sir.
Okay. So, this job of assistant industry officer, are you aware about the main roles and responsibilities?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me that?
Yes, sir. So the most important part of this job is the development of MSME ecosystem in a particular area. And excuse me. So apart from that, sir, the grassroots level implementation of all the government policies and various schemes that central or state government is currently running. So that is the main role, sir.
So, how shall you convince somebody to go into entrepreneurship or set up the industrial setup industries if you are not part of that?
Sir, so I'm not part of the entrepreneurship, but I'm definitely part of this MSME ecosystem. If I get into this role of AIO, so the first step would be to tell them about the various benefits that they can get if they get into entrepreneurship, and and a particular product which they can market and produce. And apart from that, we can also set up various meetings with successful entrepreneurs who will be able to motivate them, sir.
Okay. So, what is your plan being in this job, Devrat, for you? How do you want to progress in this particular profile, in this particular organization with us?
Sir, first of all, sir, as an AIO, as I have told, that the immediate thing that I want is to work with the public for the growth of, because mostly I may be posted in a rural environment. So, as we know, sir, Odisha as such has grown economically, but the rural infrastructure, the rural economy has not grown accordingly. So I want to work in the rural areas to increase the industrial development. And after that, after working there, I want to work for policy making in later stages of my career, sir.
Hmm. And why you think that you are the right candidate for this particular profile?
So because I think I have a trifold advantage. The first being that I am having a technical background from a good college. And second thing, sir, I have experiences in both industrial work profile and financial ecosystem. And the third thing is, sir, I have aspirations for working in this public service, sir.
Hmm. Okay, so can you tell me, so give me three suggestions how to improve industrial, base industrial setups in Odisha?
Sir, as we know, sir, Odisha is a mineral-rich state. So, in terms of mineral production, we are having good production, and one of the leading produce states in the country. So, but the main problem is we are exporting the minerals as such it is. So, the
Mhm.
first thing that we can do is promoting the downstream metal industries. And the
Mhm.
second thing is the development of infrastructure, sir. So the main thing that our coastal regions are having good infrastructure, but the western part of Odisha, it is not well connected and doesn't even have basic services. So providing infrastructure in those areas will definitely boost the industrial ecosystem.
Okay, okay, Devrat, let me give you the feedback now.